Qualified and dedicated teacher Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Asjad Qasmi Sahab. I request him to kindly come up and introduce the course.
Hamidan wa musalliya amma ba'd. Good night to all the dignitaries sitting here. Wish you all the best. Dear audience, it is crystal clear that English language has become the lingua franca of the contemporary world. And people feel proud enough to communicate in this language. And they boost their trade and business through this medium. The ulama from madrasas have good command on Arabic, Urdu and Persian languages and are able to comprehend Islam directly from original sources and preach it among particular community. But they are unable to do the same with the intelligentsia and sophisticated people of the age because they lack knowledge of English language. As a result, they are not only unable to present Islam to the international faiths, but also fail to wash up their minds loaded with misled Islamic concepts. Pondering upon this angle and freeing up madrasa graduates from the inability of English language, Darul Uloom of Dewan took the initiative to remove this communication problem and to eliminate these deep-rooted obstacles from the way of comprehensive propagation of Islam, and opened an English faculty named Diploma in English Language and Literature in 2016. This 2-year DEL course is designed exclusively for madrasa graduates, where they are imparted English education for 2 years by the qualified and well-dedicated teachers. In these 2 years, pursuers of the language almost reach the level of BA English graduates in any modern university, and they are quite able to deliver Islamic sound messages and teachings to the global fraternities and to remove misconception regarding Islam from the minds of Islamically misled people. Following up with this initiative, Darul Uloom of Deoband has launched a quarterly magazine named Voice of Darul Uloom Deoband, Darul Uloom, wherein it publishes modern issues and day-to-day queries of Muslim Ummah. The magazine has left a great positive impact on the readers and drawn appreciation from the circles of scholars. Darul Uloom of Deoband provides this faculty with all required facilities like well-furnished classroom, computer lab, internet, newspapers, as well as magazines and other relevant requisites to facilitate learning the language and to meet every possible need in this accordance with the course. It seeks the services of professors, writers, lecturers, debaters, journalists, and government officers time to time to equip the learners with the different disciplines of modern science and to enrich them with the nuisance of the language. That's all.